Here's a way of giving Pet Plus to cats, because sometimes they won't take it in their food sometimes. So here's a quarter of a teaspoon. It's slipped into the middle of the teaspoon now from the edge. And here's a cat. And I just sprinkle it onto his back there. And he looks round and goes, "Oh, nice." Yes. And licks it off. Keeps him agile as well, having to twist his back around like that to lick. And then lick off the whole lot. It's an exceptionally easy way of giving Pet Plus to a cat, don't you think?